Ever been in that situation where you're about to check out that killer pair of sneakers online, but your account's looking a little bare? You know, that heart-sinking moment when you realize your paycheck is still a few days away. And then you remember, you've got SpotMe. But wait, can you actually use SpotMe for online purchases? Let's dive in. Now, SpotMe is a pretty cool feature offered by Chime. Essentially, it's like a little financial safety net that allows you to overdraw your account by a certain amount without getting hit with those dreaded overdraft fees. It's a lifesaver, right? But can it save your online shopping spree? Well, the good news is, yes, you can generally use SpotMe for online purchases. It works pretty much the same way as it does for in-person transactions. When you make that online purchase, your card information is processed, and if the total exceeds your available balance, SpotMe kicks in to cover the difference. It's like having a tiny superhero watching your back. But, and there's always a but, it's important to remember that SpotMe isn't a magic money tree. It has its limits. The amount you can overdraw depends on a few factors like your account history and direct deposit amounts. So, don't go crazy and assume you can buy everything in sight just because you have SpotMe. Another thing to keep in mind is that some online retailers might have additional security measures in place. They might put a hold on your account for the purchase amount, which could temporarily reduce your available balance. This could potentially affect your SpotMe limit. So, it's always a good idea to check your account balance before making that big purchase. Now, while SpotMe is a fantastic tool to have in your financial arsenal, it's not a long-term solution for managing your money. It's meant to be a safety net, not a trampoline. Building good financial habits, budgeting, and saving regularly are still crucial for long-term financial stability. So, there you have it. You can generally use SpotMe for online purchases, but it's important to use it wisely. Remember, SpotMe is a privilege, not a right. Use it responsibly, and it can be a real lifesaver in a pinch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy shopping responsibly.